Hello friends, this is Professor Shrenik Shah, and today I'm recording this video to help you with preparation of 45 days which we have in our hand for the upcoming exams of NEET, JEE or Maharashtra CET. This video should be seen by each and every student throughout the India who is planning to give the medical entrance exam or the engineering entrance exam in the month of July. Now, in this lockdown period, if you think that this extension of the exam dates is going to cause a lot of trouble, then my friend, you are actually thinking in a wrong direction. If you think that the exam would have been on the 3rd May itself, then don't you think many a times the students feel like यार काश एक दिन और मिल जाता तो हम बहुत अच्छा प्रिपेयर कर लेते. Now here you are getting almost 60 days extra. The exam which was supposed to be conducted on 3rd May, it is going to be conducted in the month of July for NEET. As well as for JEE, it was in the month of May, now it is in the month of July. So almost 2 months extension which you have got for practice. Now, in this case, if you are thinking that I have already done the practice of my exams with respect to the May time period and now I don't need to prepare anymore, then believe me guys, you are going again in the wrong direction, because there are lots of students out there which are making the best of this time, because in this particular lockdown period or in this particular the extension period, I would say, you do not have anything else to do. You cannot go out to malls, watch the theaters, movies or something, or hang out with friends, or your friends cannot call you to ask you to come to their place, or you ask them to come to your place or something like that. It's not possible. Everyone is at their home. So basically you have got the entire 24 hours to yourself. You don't have to travel anywhere for your test or for your practice or for your studies. You have your own room where you can spend the entire 24 hours studying. Now definitely how to make utilization of that 24 hours is a must. Now the first thing which I would request you is, make sure you sleep 8 hours a day regularly, but only during night. Do not make the habit of sleeping in the afternoon. Now, many students have this habit of sleeping for maybe an hour or maybe 2 hours in the afternoon. Believe me, guys, this is going to create a lot of problem, because the exam which you are going to give, whether it is NEET, JEE or Maharashtra CET, it is going to be conducted in the afternoon time. And that time is very crucial, because generally people tend to feel sleepy at that point of time. So if you are making a habit of sleeping in the afternoon, then on those days when it is your exam, it might happen that you might not be able to stay complete awake, and that can cause you a lot of trouble, guys. So make sure that you do not sleep at all in the afternoon. In fact, I would recommend that you solve papers during afternoon time. Say for example 2 to 5 or 3 to 6 is a very good time to solve the paper of the entire 3 subject, whether it is PCB or it is PCM. So make sure you utilize that afternoon time for practicing something or solving papers. That's the first thing you need to take care of. Now, many people think that this 45 days or 60 days what we have got as an extension will make sure that the paper which will be conducted in NEET or JEE or Maharashtra CET will tend to be on the difficult side. Now, I make this one thing very clear to you,